Hi, today in front of me POCO F5 and I'll show you how to install a phone keyboard on this device. So first you should open the Play Store and in the search bar enter the green Apple keyboard. So now we should get this application, that's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. Then tap to open the app, tap to enable in settings and near green Apple keyboard click on the switcher, tap twice to OK and go back. Then tap to switch input methods and switch your current keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. Then the process is finished, so just let's check our new keyboard and we could see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of the emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.